You're welcome once again to Damage Engine Graphics. I want to show you how you can make this simple 3D three is called 3D text. It's kind of three-dimensional text in 3 dimensions text that is bold, and you can add a texture or a kind of different color to it to make it look really clean. And you go to your Pixellab. Mind you, I am using the Pixellab Pro. You can also do it as well in the normal Pixellab that you downloaded from the Play Store. So I go to my Pixellab. Make sure you replicate this work. Replicate it. After watching, you also do so. Practice makes perfect. So what we're going to do is any background, you can give it any background, but let me give mine a white background. Give mine a white background. You can give it any background. You can give any background. So what I'm going to do is you see this icon here. Let me see. I can move this. Can I move this? Okay, see this icon here. This this letter A they are saying right there. That's where you're going to press. That's where you're going to press. Then and here you see this text. You're going to click your text. When you click your text, now come to edit. Click your edit, and you now clean what is here. You clean it, you delete it. Then you now write what you want to write. You write what you want to write. Unlike me, I'm going to write Damage Engine Graphics. I write in small letter, capital letter, any form or format you want to. So I'm going to use capital letter to do so. Damage Engine Graphics. I okay it. Alright, I've okay it. Then I bring it to the center. I will give it a font. I'll give it a font. I'm going to use Chunk 5. Is it Chunk 5? How do you pronounce Chunk 5? I don't know if it is in the normal Pixellab. I don't know, because in this Pro version it has more fonts than the normal Pixellab. This is what I'm going to use. Yes, after that I okay it. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to texture. Hope you know where you can see for your texture. Texture, no, it's not here. Stay on the A side. Your letter A, you swipe to find your texture. You swipe until you see yes, I found my texture. I click on it. Then what we want to do is we want to give it a golden color. I go to my image, which is going to take me to gallery. Then I'm going to get my golden color texture. Okay, let me find it here. I want to use a goldish color. I hope it should be here because I have a lot of design tools saved here. Here we go. Yes, here we go. I okay it. You see how it has changed. So then what you are going to do, you swipe again and look for, you see where it is written 3D text. That's what we want to make use of. 3D text. So I click on my 3D text, I enable it, then play around with the depth. You see? So you bring it, you play around with it. Make sure the write-up is also visible. What does it mean visible? Overable, something that one can read. When one sees it, you should be able to read it. See, I'm rotating it. You can rotate it or rotate it down. Any corner. You see? Hope you are seeing it. So you can rotate it. Then I'm working on it. So you can make yours become wonderful. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So let me go to my public. How is it pronounced? Kind of make it. Is it going to be okay? Let me make it this way. Now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to the rotation need to be adjusted. I need to adjust it. This is the x axis. I'm playing around with x axis. Now I want to go to the y axis. The y axis, you rotate it to the left, to the right side. So I leave it this way. That is okay by me. So you usually see write-ups like this. So you can make yours, you start up something. Basically, start up something. Know how to navigate the app, know how to make use of it to bring out this and to make something good. And we learn from each other is something that you can also have value from it. So let me know if you want to get more videos or more designs, flyers, birthday design, and other manipulations. I have some that are really very interesting that will really help. When you have this very knowledge and skill to boost you up, you have a chance to gain an opportunity whereby you design for someone, he demanded for a design, and if it's something that I can do, you design for the person. When the person likes it, he appreciates it, he pays you, you can recommend it to someone. So never take this for granted. So you replicate this design, and let's see how far you are learning. Practice may perfect. So thank you very much. Once more, this is Damage Graphics.